Hi, welcome back to Cpanel Mastery. So, in this video or this episode, I want to talk about how to actually create a subdomain. Yes, how to create a subdomain. Now, before or in the old form of Cpanel, if you scroll around your Cpanel, you're going to see subdomain where you can actually create subdomain. But right now, you can't find subdomain anymore. All you just have to, all you see is domain. So, how do you create subdomain? Well, it is easy. Let me show you. Before we start, click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video. All right, you come to your domain, your cpanel, you open it in a new tab. Now you open the new tab, which is the domain. Now you click on create a new domain. Click on create a new domain. Okay, let me take you back. So I'll show you. Now these are the domain in here. So I want to create a subdomain of this my website. So what I'm just going to do is to copy my website, go to create a new domain, write the subdomain name I want to create. As you can see, I want to create en.bitchim.com. Then click on create. Right. So when I click on create, it is going to submit and create the subdomain for me. So that is how easy it is to create a subdomain. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to someone that actually needs the video, because this is very, very important for developers and tech people to understand. All right. So thank you for watching, and this is how to create a subdomain. So have a nice day. Bye.